So I'm still essential security. It's very loud here. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. And still trying to twirl. It's going to be a little difficult because I hurt my hand making my bed with the covers. I don't know. But let me try to do some twirls while I'm out here on a 12-hour shift. But it's only going to be one hand, probably. You're speeding in a Passat. Come on, bro. Anyway, I only have one hand, so I don't know if I can't get to the other hand. I'm not gonna be able to catch it. It's gonna be one-handed. It's not hurt that bad. It's just jammed. That's all it is. But I didn't mean to throw you the bird. I didn't mean to throw you the bird. I swear, it's just the way. Oh, can't twirl. I can't twirl that one. Yeah, I can't twirl it. I can't use this hand. Not really. Sorry. I mean to throw you the bird again. Apologize. I can catch it with the other hand. That's about it. This needs to be tighter, actually. Not broken, just sprained or strained or jammed. So. What happens when you got one hand? Woo. And I got the gun on my hip too while I'm doing this. Oh, look at that gut. Don't look at that gut. Sorry. Alright, well, where are we at? 2 minutes. I think that's enough. Nobody wants to see. Alright, I think that's it for me. Thank you for watching. God, I can't breathe in that thing. Jesus.